Walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you hold.
Hello guys! So, we're here at Palak. Hello guys! So today we're here at Araceros Forest Park. Matatagpuan ito sa Loton, Manila. So today we're gonna explore this forest. So let's go!
So, hi everyone! I'm thrilled na isama kayo here sa journey namin sa Araceros Forest Park. And kita nyo naman, it's so green here, you know. Kasi maraming puno dito, gaya ng acacia, anahaw at agoro, and many more. So, this is the perfect place to relax and, you know, nakikita nyo naman, sobrang hangin, di ba? Hindi kagaya sa ano, pero, so, pag dito ka pumunta, and you can breathe some fresh air.
As you can see, Araceros Forest Park offers a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Over 60 species of trees and various plants. Bakit gumagano?
A few moments later.
Over 60 species of trees and various plants rather, and also a truly paradise for the nature lover person. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go! From tropical walking paths to picture bridges over winding streams, every corner of Araceros Forest Park offers a unique experience.
Whether you're into bird watching or picnicking with friends and simply strolling with your loved ones, this is a perfect place.
So, basically, we're at Araceros Forest Park. So, it's located in the middle of the city of Manila. So, it's the perfect place to reconnect with nature, meditate, and, of course, to escape the urban chaos.
Eco Trail and Walking.
A few minutes later.
Eco Trail and Walking Path. So lace up your walking shoes, and this is good with your friends that you are going to exercise here or good for the jog. So this will maintain for your streets or trunk of the path along, and this place it's good when it comes to the peaceful surroundings.
Ulit. Nanginginig yung ano eh.
One eternity later.
Hi guys!
Masarap siya.
Masarap siya.
Ano flavor yan? Avocado.
Avocado.
So perfect for summer.
Yes, lalo na mainit here.
Yes.
One eternity later.
I think sabi dito, Narino Cafe. Kung pwede natin siya i-visit.
Let's go! So, nandito na tayo sa cafe, guys. Hello! So, ito yung cafe. Makikita siya dito, malapit sa LRT station, pagbaba. Ayan. Ang Sarah. Let's go!
Ano kayo?
Let's go sa go!
Pwede itong pagbihan natin, guys.
Malapit na ang araw ng ikimuling nag-uusap. Hinahanap ka sa tabi, di na mawala sa isip. Nakita kang papalapit, puso ko'y biglang napakali. Ano nga bang sinapit, kakapit pa hanggang muli. Following the footprints in the sand to walk.
Guys.
Magbalat na ano?
Nagbabalat pala siya doon!
Tawag dito, tissue sa ano? Kahit kung paano magbalat. Magbalat? Magtanggal pa lang po.
Papunta kami ngayon sa Intramuros. Hi, Sarah!
2,000 years later.
So, hi guys! We're here at Intramuros. Yeah. So, let's go. Let's go inside.
Walking with you on the silent, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Oh, pero mas masaya mamulang nakita.
Guys! So, andito na tayo sa Intramuros.
Located in Morala Street.
So, ayan, makikita niyo sa
Pag nagugutom kayo habang naglalakad-lakad kayo, marami pong stall dyan na makikita. Ayan guys, so, sa baba lang yan ng Baluarte. Yes. If you're familiar with that.
So, let's see yung mga ino-offer nilang food dito and drinks.
Let's go!
Ayan na po yung mga food stalls na matatagpuan nyo sa streets na to, guys. So, first one is meron kayo makikitang coffee dyan if you're a coffee lover. The second one is meron daw halo-halo or mga something na shake and crack if you want something sweet. Then, meron din sila dito mga rice meal, guys. Over there. Yeah.
Oh my God, tama.
Pag ika'y kapiling na, feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang islang pag-tropiko.
Three days later.
'Cause with you, boy, I'm going crazy. Be my baby, I could be a lady. Oh, oh, oh. Di na mo siya ng
Slay!
kaibigan. Kasi para bang mata ko, kuminto. Kumugulong puso ko.
Hi guys! Hello again! We're here at Intramuros pa rin and in front of Manila Cathedral is this mini ugbo, I think. Ayan, makikita nyo sa likod. Yung mga food stalls.
Yes.
Yes.
In front of us is... Show us. Show them.
Show them! Show them! Show them!
Oh my God.
Is the... Ano to?
Cafe Intramuros, which is the Casa Manila.
Let's see the food stalls inside. Let's go!
So what are you eating, guys? What is that? Oh my God.
Cha-da-cha-cha-da-da, may gugma. Cha-da mahigugma, intay. Di dahil sa nasaktan ka na. Ayaw mo nang mahigugma. Cha-da mahigugma, intay. Di dahil lagi nasasaktan. Lahat na lang ay kalaban.
Furthermore, about the fun facts about Fort Santiago is, as you can see guys, there are a lot of trees and then may mga lights. And kapag gabi, maganda siya kasi super friendly na environment niya. Kung nakikita nyo, a lot of people sitting there. That's why, ang refreshing and then ang peaceful ng buong paligid. So, lahat ng problems pwede siya maka-erase.
May tao din na para sa'yo. Kapit lang dahil darating din yun. Cha-da-cha-cha-da-da, may gugma. Cha-da may gugma. Cha-da-cha-cha-da-da. Cha-da may gugma. mamatay.
Umuwi na ako sa Alamari. So, hi guys. So, we are here, which is the inside of the Fort Santiago, yung wall niya. So, yan. Makikita nyo dyan ang
Dungeon, which is yung kung saan kinulong yung mga dating
Soldiers
soldiers, ayan,
ng war.
ng World War II.
Stop it. Get some help.
One, two, three. So that was the last part of this video, and
I
since
hope you enjoy guys watching this vlog. I
So-
hope you put a lot of learnings with it comes to this vlog. This
So-
the history, the people, the foods, and then the tourist spots that you can see. Yeah.
so enjoy the last minute of this video, and
Thank you for watching our travel vlog.
bye
I love you guys. And of course, don't forget to like and share this video. Mwah, bye-bye.
bye. Yeah, Singapore.
Say hi! Hi!
Ay, mag-last stop tayo. So, enjoy the last minute of this video.
Yes!
Yan yung mga food stalls sa likod. Sa taas.